Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AI summary to shorten articles on your OnePlus tablet or OnePlus phone. Doing it is pretty simple. You'll need to begin with the fact that you need to have a smart bar enabled. You can see this is the smart bar, this little bar on the side. Once you slide it towards the center of the screen, it'll open the toolbar, right? And if you don't have it enabled, go to the settings, accessibility and convenience, smart sidebar. Then you can enable smart sidebar as well as smart functions. The smart functions need to be enabled for it to work, and you can go to any article now. So let's open a random article. Now, once we are on the article, you can simply open the sidebar and click on AI summary. It'll summarize it now into bullet points, and I think it's pretty useful. You don't have to read the whole long article. You can just read the summary with the most important key points written into short phrases. You can regenerate it if it's not correct. You can dislike it or like it if it was generated correctly or incorrectly. Then you can copy the summary, share it or save it to notes, and you can also close it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.